Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will install free video editing software on your PC. First, open your web browser. Then follow my steps, or you can find the link by video description. Enter the web and download the setup file. Make sure which file will you download. Wait few seconds here, download will be start automatically. Find the downloaded file. You can install it now easily. Follow my steps continuously. After installed, you can see the icon on your desktop. I will bring you tutorial video series in next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video. Stay safe, goodbye.